Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design. For this well-being in the garden snippet, I'm going to talk about seizing the moment. And I hope behind me you can see I'm with the bluebells and rhododendrons, which are really plants that you have to see in season and really seize the moment. So I'm here actually filming this at the rather beautiful River Hill Himalayan Gardens near Sevenoaks, because they have so much in their garden to see at this time of year. And so I'm going to come off me and show you then some more beautiful video and photos of this garden. It's very easy in our modern lives to be busy, too busy doing, to pause and admire our surroundings, too busy to take time out to make contact with a friend. So when I suggest that you seize the moment, this is not to do more things, but to pause, to stop, to appreciate the scent of a flower or the kindness of a friend. Don't let these moments just rush past, because we think they'll happen again and again. And they might, but why not benefit from them again and again? I take huge amounts of joy of visiting woodlands and gardens to see the bluebells every year. The fact that I know or hope that both bluebells and I will be here next year to see them doesn't mean I put off. The natural world is a good reminder to seize the moment. It's very seasonal. We know that bluebells only last a short time. And yes, there will be other flowers coming after that. Why not take time out then to appreciate those as well? One of the great ways to establish that connection with nature, which we know is so good for our mental health, is to make friends with an area of natural countryside or a garden or a park and visit it again and again through the seasons, taking those minutes and moments and just becoming so familiar and see the changes as the year goes round. And we anticipate, look forward to what we know is coming. And in the dark days of winter, then we look back in our minds or our photographs at the flowers and the animals and the creatures that we've seen. So as we go through May, seize the moment to be, and you will be so much better for it. Check out my website gardeningbydesign.co.uk for more about me, gardening and therapeutic horticulture.